Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, you know what to do. Welcome, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my attempt at doing a flat twist for the very first time. I think it was horrible. That's my opinion though. I think I did woefully, but for a first time I think it was fair. And oftentimes I've always thought that flat twist was actually really hard, but I think is my perception, and trying to do it actually made me realize that it's not as hard as I thought, and I will definitely be trying it again. And I know practice makes perfection, and when it is perfected I will come back and show you guys at the same time. But for this one, just sit back and enjoy this hilarious attempt to do a flat twist. It wasn't so bad though. Of course I could carry the hairstyle out. Anyways, my hair, I'll carry it anytime. But I think it was a really fair one. So guys, enjoy and try not to laugh too much. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up guys. Alright, till my next video, make sure you put a smile on somebody's face guys. Alright, bye. Enjoy the video.